Our DPW Director, Chris Hayes, we were in the yard at 40 Jennings Road with all of our DPW crew this morning. They came in early in the morning. We've got 53 plows out, thousands of tons of salt that's ready to be deployed. They have been working hard from this morning and are going to be working hard for 48 hours, but we need everybody else to stay off the road. If you're not emergency personnel, if you're not DPW, if you're not a news crew or the mayor of the city of Hartford, stay off the roads. We need you inside. Our PD has told me that we've had some of the best compliance with the parking ban in effect, and we want to thank the residents for getting their cars off the road. That parking ban is still in effect and will be in effect through the night and into tomorrow. We'll give you guys updates as the snow starts to taper off tomorrow in the morning. We'll have a sense of how long this parking ban is going to need to be in effect. But for now, keep your cars off the roads. Stay inside. You know, my kids were so excited this morning when they got up. I said, this is the largest snowfall we've had in over a decade. This is going to be the largest snowfall my kids are going to see in their life. And I said, we'll wait for today. Tomorrow you'll have plenty of snow to go sled in. But for now, stay off the roads. Stay away from those snow plows. They're doing their very best to keep these roads clear, to get us, to keep us safe, and to make sure we can get back to business after the snowstorm ends. But this is really heavy snow, really cold conditions. We just need to make sure everybody stays inside. We want to say thank you for your compliance so far.
What's it like for the plow drivers out there?
It is just trying to keep the roads open at this time. So it's multiple passes. We have brought in an additional 17 plow vehicles to help us get through this storm compared to an average storm. And we're just trying to keep up as best we can. Once the precipitation starts to dissipate, then we'll really work on getting the roads fully open.
Is there anything else that you want the City of Hartford residents to know right now?
Well, look, I've said before, I'll say it again, we are at our very best when we work together. And so I've just seen on my street people, trying to plow for their elderly neighbors, checking in on family and friends. It's really cold out there. The first night we initiated the cold weather protocols, we had about twice as many folks come in our cold weather shelters as they could handle, and we're working to triage those individuals. But there are so many folks who just need a little bit of extra help, a little bit of extra love. Make sure you're checking on one another. Make sure you're staying indoors, staying warm. No matter how many layers you have on, it's cold out here, and the snow is coming down fast. It's going to come down faster. It's going to come down heavier. So, take breaks as you are shoveling your driveway, shoveling your walkway. Take care of yourselves. Check on those who need it. We're going to get through this together.
How has the visibility been out there for the plow drivers?
It's decreasing as we get these higher accumulation amounts hour per hour, but we expect that to improve as we get close to the midnight hour.
Okay. Well, thank you guys very much.
Thank you guys.